Hello everyone, this is Papa Guac here. This is actually my third video today that I've made in regards to black beans. So what I'm going to do is just make one video and combine all three things that happened, and we're going to go from there. So I'm going to start the video with, as you can see, I've got my pile of black beans here in my little container. It's how much I've collected so far out of the 41 plants that I put. So the first thing that happened today was as I was shucking them and taking them out of their little casings, I found this one, and I don't know how well you can see it, but it's starting to grow. And then I found another one. I didn't realize at the time that I shucked it, but again, it's starting to grow. We're right in the pod. Yeah, I thought that was rather odd. I've never seen that before. That just goes to show you, anything grows in Central Florida. If it grows, Central Florida's the place. It'll grow. I'm gonna jump to the backyard where the other beans are. So here I am in the back, and I noticed some of the earlier beans. Here's one right here that's ready to pick. I don't know how well you can see this guy. I missed him. I'm gonna have to cut him off. You can't wait. When these things, as soon as it dries, you need to get right on it. Now, I'm gonna come in real close here, but if you look right here, right there, that is a bean that's busting out of the pod and is growing. So one of them hanging right from the vine broke through the pod and is beginning to grow here. So I'm just gonna leave it. I think it's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. So again, I say to you, anything grows in Central Florida. Here I found another one. I'm gonna have to snip him off, so I'll get my scissors and I'll be back out here in a little while and cut those things off. But now the biggest treasure that I found is on this black bean plant. Again, we're dealing with black beans, and you see how all these black beans look. You know, they got a little bit of burgundy on them over there, but initially they start green, and then they change and get that little bit of burgundy, or sometimes no burgundy at all. Sometimes it's just like, just beige kind of color. But they start green, and they turn beige, then they turn brown, then you take them, and you got your black beans. Now today, while I was doing my garden inspection, I came across the black beans that I have planted in this pot here with my dragon fruit. And get a load of this. The purple, completely purple. Every single one of them. Every single one of them on this plant. No variance whatsoever. They're like this burgundy or purplish color, whatever that it is. Burgundy, I guess, is probably a better choice of words. I've never seen that before. If anybody knows anything about that, leave a comment below. I've never seen them burgundy. So I can't explain that. I don't know if that's a good thing, a bad thing. I don't know what that's all about. So, like I say, if anybody has any information in regards to black beans and their pods turning purple or burgundy, leave a comment below. Hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll chat about this. It's pretty crazy. So anyway, hope you all have a great day, and we'll be seeing you around. Thanks for watching. Bye.